swimteach.com. Basic swimming technique online. Front crawl breathing. Breathing should occur to both sides in a relaxed and sustained rhythm while maintaining a horizontal and streamlined body position. The swimmer exhales fully as the head turns when the hand pulls through and past the hip. Inhalation then takes place quickly as the arm begins its recovery phase so that the face can be rolled back into the water as the hand re-enters. Download How to Swim Front Crawl, where the swimming stroke is broken down into easy to follow exercises that clearly explain what each part of your body should be doing. Download it now from swimteach.com.